Hello guys, welcome to this video again. So in today's video we'll mainly looking into lower time frame confirmation. So this actually took me a long time to realize, and this is after realizing it, this is my truth that I came out with, that I found out. So before trading, I tend to have to look for these four things. If they are met, then I will take the trade. But if they are not met, if one is missing, then no trade. The four must be met before a trade. Now in this video, just like I said, lower time frame confirmation. Lower time frame confirmation is what we'll be looking into. Now on the charts where I just drew, surely we know that this is what I just drew. Surely we know this is a bullish trend, right? Now as an SMC trader, mainly focus on the order block parts, taking your trade from order block. Now you might tend to be trading order block, but not all order block are what's valid. Not all order block are valid, and for you not to be stopped out in most order block, you need a lower time frame confirmation, because just like we have here, though this zone has been medicated, this order block here has already done the work and is remaining this one. So we don't know for sure that the market might decide to change structure. Or so what you need is, before taking any trade, you need a lower time frame confirmation. Now from this chart here, let's do something here. We just draw here. Okay, we know this for sure, this is bullish. First, let's draw our break of structure. We take this as our break of structure, then we mark this one as our POI. For the market structure, we observe the market structure is bullish. Now we mark our break of structure. Now the POI, guys, stay with me. This is what I want to show. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. Now this is our POI, right? This is our POI, and this will be our what is target, right? Let's do. This should be our target. Now if we want to take this trade, this should be our target, right? We are waiting for the market to come to this zone, then give us this again, right? Now in terms of lower time frame confirmation, if you come to the lower time frame confirmation, we know that surely when the market is coming down, when the market is coming here straight, we know the market does not just come straight, right? It does not just come straight. So when you wait for the market to come to your zone that you are waiting to take a trade from, then eventually when the market come to your zone, what you actually need to do is it's time for you to go to a lower time frame confirmation before taking the trade. If the trade is really according to what you predict, if the structure is aligned with what you want to do. Now in the lower time frame confirmation, what do you actually need? What do you want to see before taking that trade? So in the lower time frame confirmation, what you want to see is, now when the market eventually come to your zone, come to your zone here, right? And we know that if the market is coming, it's not coming down here just in a bullish straight candle. There must be a structure where it will be forming something like this. Yeah, there will be a bearish structure forming, right? There will be a bearish structure forming. Now, if peradventure this candle forming, this last one is what lead to your zone. Now what you want to do now is the lower time confirmation. What you need, okay, you want to turn bullish for you to start buying, because you not just buy from this zone, because the market might tend to come and clear out liquidity and then start going up. So you need your lower time frame confirmation before doing anything. So now from your lower time frame confirmation, what do you need to see? What do you need to do? Now we know that when the market is coming to this one, you form this bearish pattern, right? So the next thing is what? To mark out this from the, you go to your 5 minutes or 3 minutes to see this bearish pattern forming when the market is coming to your zone. So you mark out the last resistance, right? You mark out this one. You mark out that last resistance. Then the next is what? After marking the resistance, you mark this breakout structure still. You mark this your breakout structure. Now, what do you want the market to do before you confirm that okay, yeah, the market is bullish? I'm free to what? Buy right now. So you wait for the market to do a structure again to take out this what resistance. Once you take out this resistance in a full body candle, once you take out this resistance in a full body candle, what do you want to do? Once you take out the resistance, then you take your what? You put your entry mode. That will be the time for you to what? Confirm your entry. That will not be the time for you to confirm, for you to take your entry, right? So this should be the lower time frame confirmation model you will ever need. Now, I'm not saying this lower time frame confirmation is 100% sure or 90% sure, but out of 100%, I would say this is 70% because and again, if the lower sometimes in terms of waiting for, I would say for the lower time confirmation, you just be like kind of breakout. Once you break the resistance, you take your high because most times when the market tend to break this resistance, you just what continue going up. It might not be the time for you to okay, let me just wait for the market to come here before you now tend to buy because you might tend to miss the move. So once you just break your lower time frame resistance, then you take your action, you take your buy and put your stop loss in the last support. So that is just it. That is what the lower time frame confirmation, how you can confirm the lower time frame confirmation. And yeah, I'm not saying this is 100% sure, this is 100% a pure, but this is what I've been using, this is what I'm using, and this is what I've discovered, this is what I've found out after much losing of my account upon account, taking trade from other block without lower time frame confirmation. So this is lower time frame confirmation I use, and to show you guys that I'm being transparent, not just teaching or just showing this on the chart without me using it. Going back to my Telegram channel where I drop any of my analysis. So this is it. So this is a trade I dropped on USDJPY. We check from here so that this is the zone I'm waiting for the market to retest. This is the zone I'm waiting for them to sell. And right now, currently, the market is at my zone. And for my lower time frame confirmation, and so this is my last support, and I'm looking forward to sell. So if the market should break this my support here, this is when if you break with full body candle, this is when I'm looking forward to sell. This is for this one. Then we have other one again. This is what I'll be using. And you see from there, this is USDJPY. So again, another entry model I want to do, lower time frame confirmation. I saw this is my last resistance, and eventually the market broke. This is where I took my entry. So this is what I'm using. Not just talking, not me talking and not doing. This is what I'm using. If you guys can see, even with this one self, mostly this is what I'm using. Once the market break, I tend to enter. That is my entry model. So if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and don't always be someone that is always learning and not putting what you learn into action. You learn something new, put it into action and practice it. See you at the top. Bye.